Uniquely me is uniquely you.
Well, I'm a mother of 4 children.
Yeah.
Struggle real hard. So I decided to feed my children.
Wow.
So in order to feed my children, I had to do something to provide for their daily needs.
Yeah. Are you a single mom?
Yes, I am.
Wow. So
These are layers. The first one, them call them common fowl.
Common fowl. That was what we had.
In my granny days. Right?
So when these eggs are produced, what do you do with those eggs?
Well, I sell them to community, sell them to supermarket in Kingston.
Yeah.
And round town.
Okay. How hard is